Sir, it's live, sir.
Please
Hello?
go ahead.
Yes, sir. I'm going to start, sir.
Yes.
Hi, everyone. I am Srinu from second year CSSC, and today I am going to do an activity called Celebrity Interview. And the celebrity is none other than Dr. Rajendra Renuguntal, sir. And the celebrity is named the HOD of London Institute of Engineering and Technology. Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Thank
Shall
you,
we start,
Srinu.
shall we start, sir?
Yeah, please.
Sir. My first question is, sir, when and where did you start your professional career, sir?
Srinu, I am very much proud about you as of my student by taking this particular interview and selecting as a celebrity.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, first of all. And this is a
Thank you,
good
sir.
initiation. And
Thank you, sir.
according to the question, whatever you have posed.
Yes, sir.
So, yes, my name is Rajendra. I started my career in 1992 whenever I finished my graduation as a associate lecturer in a polytechnic college uh, for the computer science engineering branch. I started my career in 1992 as a lecturer. So till now, I am in this profession by possessing nearly 26 years of experience. And this is a good journey. I have plenty of my students who has passed out as a diploma holders as well as the graduates. The first batch, the first B.
Hello, sir. Hello. Hello, sir. Can I audible now, sir?
From MBGR college. So like that, till now I sent so many batches. Now presently, I am working as a head of the department for Lady Institute of Engineering and Technology.
Thanks.
I did my BTech from Osmania University from the batch 1988 to 92. And after that, I completed my post graduation and as well as my PhD from Andhra University.
Thank you, sir. My next question, sir. Hello.
Yeah, Srinu, please go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Tell me that how was your experience from professional to HOD, sir?
Yes, Srinu, this is very interesting. As a matter of fact, when I was started my career, I didn't think that I'll go with a long journey till to reaches up to the HOD cadre. But anyway, I started my journey in the year 1992 in the teaching profession till now. Okay, I am in the teaching profession. So in this long journey, I completed various category of course. So in the diploma, I started my career as associate lecturer. And after that, I shifted to engineering college. Started my career as assistant professor. And in the year 2004, I I got the promotion as associate professor. And in the year 2007, I got promoted as a professor and the HOD. in the Vignan Institute of Information Technology, Duvada.
Oh, nice.
Before that also I worked as a HOD for MVGR College in initial days. And after that I worked in the HOD cadre in various colleges like GAIT Gunpur, which is a very big,
Yes, sir.
what I can say, group of colleges in the Orissa. And meanwhile, I worked as a principal for the Srikakulam Engineering College. One Srikakulam Engineering College for 1.5 years. So like this, as a HOD, as a principal, and from the scratch, assistant professor cadre, I've seen plenty of my students who are very energetic, who are very enthusiastic, and it's a very satisfying profession for me because my students network is now throughout the world. One of my students has developed the Windows 10 operating system. He is the one of the candidate who has developed a Windows 10 operating system, and he working as a in the top position in the Microsoft in the US. So like that, I have a lot of satisfaction in my profession because wherever I am going, there I am finding my student network, and I want to share here one very happiest.
Hello, sir.
They said, sir, why you came here like that? We are working here, sir. So whenever they shared like that, their experiences, and they told that, sir, we are here because of you. So this is the satisfaction which I got,
Nice.
which
Yes, sir.
every time it is giving for me from my student network. So this is my a long
It's
journey
good, sir.
from the assistant professor to HOD cadre.
Thank you, sir, for giving this. So, next question, sir.
Please.
What is your best day in your life, sir?
Pardon?
What is your best day in your
Please
life,
repeat.
sir?
Best
What is
day.
your best
Yeah.
day in your life?
Best day. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So to be frank,
So many things are happening, sir. Hello? Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
okay, now
Okay,
is it
sir.
okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. When I'm
Once again,
working as
repeat.
HOD in Vignan Institute of Information Technology,
Yes, sir.
for my final year students batch, I struggle a lot to give the Cisco training, which is in a very higher end course. When I approached the Delhi Cisco Center, they told that for that particular course, every student has to pay the 50,000 rupees. In the year, nearly it is 2008, like that, 2008 batch. But with a lot of homework and by contacting the so many other persons, I succeeded to give that course for my students for 10,000 only. So with 10,000, nearly 15 members took the Cisco certification course With that, 10 members got placed in the TCS. Now they are in the good
Great.
position at the TCS. That is the best day for me, and it has given a lot of satisfaction throughout in my entire professional career. That I can share very happily, and I can say that it is my best day when they got the placements from the TCS.
Thank you, sir, for sharing this best day, sir, in your life. Next question, sir.
Yes, Srinath.
Tell me that which person inspires you more, sir?
As a matter of fact, see, every person of my gurus, they have a lot of this thing. Everybody has their special skills, and I used to take every of my guru as a inspirable persons. For example, I want to tell you one regarding about one person. When I did my post-graduation course in Kakatiya University, there the one my guru, Professor Sharma. Professor Sharma sir, when he used to teach the data structure course, I used to feel that I have to teach the computer science subjects like this, like my Guru Sharma sir. I inspired a lot the way he teaches the data structures course, and the live examples which he has given for each and every the data structures course. So I can say that every person is inspirable person, no doubt at all. So he is the one of the edge person I can name out.
Thank you, sir, for sharing this. So, next question, sir. What is the critical moment in your life and how do you manage it?
Yes, the critical moments. So in the professional life,
Yes.
in the professional life,
Whatever wish, sir. Professional is the best, sir.
so in the professionally, if I want to tell, so definitely in the professional, in every profession there will be the critical situations.
Yes, sir.
So when we are facing such type of critical situations, no other thing, we need to, as a educationalist, as a education, being an administrative person, without getting the much tense, we need to tackle the situations in a very tactful manner. So especially when the educational institutions, when they are going for accreditation process, like NBA, NAC, and so on and so forth. At that moment, when the HOD has to handle such type of situations, so such type of situations, I can say that some of the few situations which I faced critically, and moreover, I succeeded.
Thank you, sir, for giving this, sir. So, next question, sir. Tell me, what is the meaning of success in your style, sir?
Success is nothing but one type of measurement, I can say. But coming to the definition of this success, that may vary from one person to other person. For example, in my terms, being a professor, being a teacher, I used to measure my success in terms of student achievements only. So whenever my student sits in the top position, I used to feel that there is some credit to me also, in the success of my student settlement. So I used to feel that if I used to measure, or I used to feel if the percentage of my student settlement is good, that is nothing but my success.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Sir, last question, but last least. For last question. Describe yourself using 2 words, sir. Last but not least, sir.
I used to believe. I can call it as myself I can call as an HD person. HD means H stands for hardworking and D stands for discipline. If I am working the high definition manner, that is nothing but within a hard work, believing in hard work, and doing that hard work in a dedicated manner. Definitely, myself and my students, they will be in the top position. I used to believe that. So I can describe myself as a high definition person or HD person, nothing but hardworking, who believes the hardworking and discipline.
Thanks, sir, for giving. Thank you, sir, for helping me with interview. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Have a good
Welcome,
day.
welcome. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
All the best.
Have a good day, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.